In this video, we are actually going to simplify digital marketing for you. Now, what digital marketing is? If you ask me, or if you ask any marketer, or if you ask yourself, you know that digital marketing basically, in simple words, is all about advertising or promoting your brand or product or service online. That's what digital marketing is. Now, when I say simplifying digital marketing, the reason I want to do this video is because I want to actually simplify it in such a way that next time when you hear the term digital marketing, only you will look at these two terminologies or these two things or these two aspects. Number one, traffic or audience. Number two, convergence. So you either drive traffic to your website or your social media pages or get more and more people to know your brand, then convert them into your customers. So these are only two processes actually that you have to work on. This is the simplest process of working on digital marketing or doing digital marketing. Let's understand this with an example. Okay, now you have a shoe store. Now you have a store where you sell shoes of various different brands of Adidas or Nike or Puma or whichever. Okay, now you have various varieties. You have varieties and options. You want to sell it online. You want to do digital marketing for your brand. Now, when you want to sell it online, you will have an e-commerce website. That is one. That is the basic that you need to be able to advertise your product. So considering that you have your e-commerce store, okay, that is the first step that you have to work on. But let's say you have your e-commerce store. What you will do? You will create ads, you will promote it and drive traffic to the website. Okay, now when you're driving traffic to the website, the next thing that you have to do is make sure that your website is well capable of converting that traffic into your customers, be it with the pop-up options or giving right offers, having right communication with right pictures. There could be a lot of things. So to drive traffic, what do you need? You need to understand social media, display advertising, digital programmatic ads, display network, search ads, various platforms, email marketing, affiliate networks from where you can drive traffic. There could be a lot of ways. WhatsApp, you can send a link of your website to a lot of people using WhatsApp. That as well as a form of driving traffic, right? You can use Facebook. You can use Facebook pages. You can use Facebook profile. You can use Facebook groups where people are discussing and communicating. There could be hundreds of ways. At the same time, you can use ads. Facebook paid ads, display ads, search ads, programmatic ads, various other different sorts of native, non-native advertising platforms. You can always make use of various ad platforms and drive traffic. When you drive traffic, the next part is to convert. Now, how will you convert? With right offers, right communication, engaging content, value-driven content, providing more and more values, nurturing activities. In the first step, you take only email addresses and give them some vouchers and offers. Let them try something if there is an option available. You try and create campaigns to make sure that you are being able to convert that. If you are running a service-based company, there it's very simple philosophy. You drive traffic to a landing page where you showcase your services, testimonials of a couple of clients. You talk about how do you work, your methodology of working. All these things you put in a landing page. You drive traffic from various sources of the people who might be interested in your services, and then they fill in the details to inquire about your services. Your sales team picks up the call, calls them and closes them into your customers. Then you send them an emailer to the people who are not converted. So you try and nurture them with continuous email campaigns. That's what digital marketing is. There is no rocket science to it. Now, there is the only important aspect that you need to understand is the traffic that you're driving should be the right traffic, and how to drive traffic is the game. Then how to convert that traffic into your leads and then finally customers is very, very important. So one more important aspect here in simplifying digital marketing is actually simplifying your consumer journey. If you can simplify your entire consumer journey and you understand from where you will start the first touch point or first communication beginning of with your consumer, let's say social media channels. So it starts from there, it goes to stays on social media channels for some time, then you drive them to your website, then on the website they come to the home page, and from the home page with offers and everything, it goes to a final landing page or a product page or a purchase page. So creating awareness, building consideration, and then finally getting them to buy, and the loyalty process will keep going on. So you have to understand the entire consumer journey, where each and every element. Now you would say, I have just spoken about that, it is simplification, traffic and conversion. Okay, so you can put all your entire journey into two aspects. Instead of having awareness and consideration as separate journeys, where you first build an awareness, then get the consideration, then try to nurture and all those things, you just put them together. Let people know about your brand with so much value and effect, because people don't have time, and get them to understand your brand further, and then finally try to convert them. So conversion and delight, or conversion and loyalty would go in one one section, one segment essentially. So two, awareness and consideration, you merge them to decision and loyalty, you merge them to, because the moment somebody takes a decision to buy your product or buy your service or subscribe to your service, you need to make sure that they are getting the best out of it. If you're not being able to make sure that they are getting the best result, best experience and best everything, there is a very fewer chance that you can build loyalty amongst your customers, and there most of the things would start to fail. So you have to just drive all in this entire consumer journey with two simple processes: drive traffic, convert. That's what digital marketing is all about, and having the understanding of the consumer journey. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video, we'll actually talk about various digital channels, their significance in the entire consumer journey, how you can use that, and at the same time, the division of digital media space as well. So make sure to watch the next video as well. Thank you.